Hey, what's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. I would like to welcome y'all to this Dominoes 7 show vlog. Okay, so as y'all see the title at the bottom of y'all screen, not at the top of y'all screen. Okay, unless YouTube change it out or whatever. But anyway, never mind that. Okay, so anyway, about to do an unboxing. I'm going in this GameStop bag. I'm going to unbox the NES Classic Edition. Okay, so look at the games right here. Super Mario 1, Super Mario Brothers, Metroid, Pac-Man, Donkey Kong, The Adventures of Zelda, Kirby's Adventure. Okay, so alright. So how would I do this? Okay. So do y'all know how I'm gonna do this? Let's see how. Okay. Alright, so about to show y'all the NES, okay? Look at the back, okay? Alright. Now let's go to the camera phone. Alright. So now we with the camera phone, okay? So look on the back, okay? Final Fantasy, Balloon Fight, Metroid, Mario 1, 2, 3, Mega Man 2, Castlevania, Dr. Mario, Ninja Gaiden, Donkey Kong Jr., okay? So let's get this unboxing started, okay? Alright. Alright, so here we go. Get this unboxing started, okay? Let's get this party started. Gotta get this party started. Look at Bowser right here, okay? Or should I say King Koopa? I'm stuck on calling him King Koopa, you know. Alright. Wow, look at this, y'all. Got the was this a poster? Yeah, let's see. Is this a poster? Look at this. The poster. Alright, take this out. Sorry, folks. Alright. Alright. Alright, let's see. Ooh, a poster. Looking good. Looking good. Looking good. Wow, look at this. Got this good. Y'all see that? Here's the... Sorry, y'all. There we go. A nice poster, y'all see? I don't know if I'm hanging up in the front downstairs or in this room or the next room or in the hallway or in the kitchen. Okay? Let's see what's on the back. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay? Y'all see that? Alright. Not unbox some more. Okay? Alright, the instructions. Hey, you know, I didn't realize it was that small, you know. Alright. Get this out. Alright. Look how small it is. Y'all see that? It's teeny tiny. Okay. I could fit my hand in this. Y'all see? Well, some of y'all already know if y'all have it already. Just like the old one. Can I lift this up? Oh no, I can't lift that up. I definitely can't lift that up. Okay. So what else is in here? Let me put this right here. If I can, okay. Hopefully it ain't gonna fall. Okay. Got one controller. Can't believe this shit came with one controller. Excuse my language on that. Well, I curse all the time on my show. You know, I normally don't allow cussing on my show. Look at this. Controller. One damn controller. Ain't that some crap? Ain't some bullshit. Alright. An adapter. Okay, the adapter. Okay. Alright. Alright, got the wires here. Need this from a... Look at the wire, the HDMI here. Y'all see that? Look at that. And I think this one is for the HDMI thing. Adapter, okay? So we have to hook the adapter up. Alright. It goes like this, I do believe. Let's take a look on the back. Oh, don't look original. HDMI. Y'all see that? HDMI. Alright, y'all see that? HDMI. Yep, indeed. Alright. So I'll hook it up a little later, okay? Alright, thank y'all for watching. Okay.